got a car coming to your right. You're clear. Getting her dialed?
Yeah, I'm just running I'm just trying to run this camera like setup. I didn't bring the bar out of the Miata.
Oh yeah.
Or like the mount that goes around the roll cage. So we're running this little GoPro,
little suction cup action,
and then some Ram mounts.
Oh, okay.
These things are super tight, actually. This is what I run in the Miata, but it's yeah, just 1-inch ball. I'm sure a lot of you guys have seen these, but they're pretty dope and pretty easy to work with. This window's just dirty, but yeah, this is the Civic. We got the battery ratchet strapped in, just past tech. This dash is just sitting here.
2 dashes
For this cluster, so I'll probably ratchet or zip tie that in or something. But yeah, it's got this thing, and then no key, but it's a 96, which is the most stolen year of Honda Civic, and it doesn't have a key. You just turn the master switch on the ignition and press start and drive them.
Race car.
Drive the mother away.
That's right.
But yeah, well, we're gonna rally cross this thing today. It'll be my first rally cross ever, and first time driving a full sporty front wheel drive car. So wish me luck. We're gonna have oh dude, check this out. Look what I just found.
Oh dude.
Is that a I don't even know what this is. Leave it in the comments. What is this? What little figure, or like, I think it looks like a ninja kind of.
Yeah.
But the front doesn't.
Hard to
the front
tell.
looks kind of weird.
Yeah.
But yeah, let's
Our little companion.
yeah, we're keeping this. This is staying with the car.
Co-driver
today.
today.
Go somewhere.
Co-driver today.
Yeah. Actually, I don't know where Blake is. So we're out here at I-35 Speedway. I believe that's what it is.
Yep.
This is Kansas Engineering on the thing, but I think that's something else.
Sponsor
But I-35 Speedway for my first ever rallycross event. I've never rallycrossed. I've never even driven a sporty front-wheel drive vehicle. So we got the Civic, as you guys saw over there, and it's a B20 swapped. It's should be pretty legit. Should be a fun day. It's on some 100 tread wears, but we're gonna be out in the dirt, and I don't know what I'm doing. I just heard to hold the left foot on the brake the entire time to get the nose to plant and the rear to swing, and that's what we're gonna do. There's Heath, my buddy. But yeah, so we're gonna rallycross today, and we're in a Civic that may or may not buy.
Josh and anybody else who's listening, you got to slow down when you're coming up through the exit area of the course. When you're headed back to grid, we got to make sure we're at a walking pace. Everybody make sure we're at a walking pace. That's 40 seconds right off the bat. I don't want to run there. I love it. You lied to me. I had such a great film too. That's alright. Well, it's Blake and Blaine driving the blue Civic, not Blake and Blake. So in the battle of Blake and Blaine, either Blake or Blaine can win. And then you say Blake or Blaine. Foster, wait, there's another Ian here. This is the second time in recent history that there have been two Ians. And in the battle of Ian versus Ian, there can be only one.
Did they say if that was clean or not?
I couldn't hear him. I can't hear him out here.
Well, that would be my fastest time of the day. 54.8, I think it was what it was. Which is a big improvement. I thought it was like 57.0 or something last time. But dude, it's so dusty and dirty.
Yeah.
Out there. Like I don't know how dirty my face is or if it is or not.
No,
But,
I
like,
think the sweat's keeping it off.
That
It
first
just-
run, it was like in my teeth. I can feel it in my mouth.
Your sunglasses are glazed right now, though.
Hell
Just like
yeah.
dust, dude.
I got like, I can feel it like in my molars, my teeth.
Yeah,
like,
I
it's
bet.
like full of dirt. He drove Max's car and he ripped off the rear bumper. That thing was so close to my face. Yeah, he ripped off like the rear bumper, so they put a sticker over it to hold it on. There you go. Yeah.
Blaine's about ready to go down and work. I think they're getting everything ready right now. But yeah, it rained this morning a little bit, but it is nice and hot and dusty now. But yeah, he's been test driving the Civic all day today in one of the coolest ways possible, bringing it out to a rallycross event, our first one ever. So it's actually pretty cool to come out. We're at I-35 Speedway out in Missouri. So I'm doing some filming today. I'm not running. He's co-driving with a friend of his. And yeah, we're looking forward to getting this car possibly. And I think, you know, you'll see the walk around in the last video, but we're really test driving it today. So yeah, we're in between the live action right now. I think he's about to go down and work. We'll have some lunch and then we'll do it again in the afternoon.
Yeah, bro. So one thing I didn't really account for is all the dust.
Scale of 0 to 10, how bad do you need a shower?
11.
Very
Is
well.
my hair like frosted?
It kind of just looks like you're like
Yes.
20 years older.
Dude, in my glasses. I cleaned these things probably like 40 times out there.
I saw you sprinted the one time. You had to go get some.
It's the most running I've ever done, bro.
I'm a cardio guy.
No.
I think we got a broken.
A little dusty.
Yeah, I didn't account for it. Dude, it's like in my ears and stuff.
Yeah, every time a car went by, you just got coated. I was like, no.
Way cleaner.
Yeah. I mean,
My arms are clean. Not here.
there you go. Little
Look at this, bro.
freaking dirty crease action though.
That's the way to do it, though. You gotta just,
Yeah,
pull out the
freaking pop a hole.
pull out the best tech man.
That's right.
Dundee. Give
That's
you a little
right.
hole in there.
Freaking shower down. It needs a little bit more. I think it just needs a wipe now. Yeah, I think it just needs to be wiped down. It's just mud. Yeah, it just needs to be wiped off. Like you made it wet, but shade tree shower here.
We didn't have a towel. So
And then yeah, it doubles as a towel. Basically a ShamWow. Yeah, at the end of this, all you're going to be saying is ShamWow. Not sponsored. I don't think they're even around anymore. That was old.
Was it ShamWow? Was like car stuff?
Well, it was like it was just a towel that absorbed like everything. Like the commercial, they had like a foot, like a 12 by 12 inch carpet, poured like a 2 liter of, you know, soda on it, and allegedly soaked it up. But yeah, you're looking dialed, getting ready for lunch here.
Hell yeah, dude! Some Markel dogs, Markel hot dogs.
Yeah, I see that.
I wonder if they're all.
You're gonna be faster second half of the day.
Dude, I'm always faster after I eat.
Exactly, dude.
Taco Bell
or free hot dogs.
Yeah.
But yeah, dial.
It's fuel, bro. $500 carbs, no tires.
Lower.
And that's what we have, right?
Oh, I think we have one master somewhere.
All right, guys, about to start the afternoon session. Same thing as this morning. He's gonna run first, work in the, you know, the second heat. So yeah, he's getting over to the grid right now, and we'll get to the live action. Little dusty there, guy.
Yeah. 53.7, so dude, I'm still 2 seconds behind Blake. That dude's so fast.
Yeah, he's quick.
But we'll figure it out. I know like where I can pick up some more time and then send it. And,
Yeah.
Yeah.
We'll get her dialed.
It's a good car.
Yes, sir.
I don't know if I'm still third in class or not, but I hit that last run. I hit 2 cones or a cone or something. But the way like rallycross works is everything is cumulative. So like every run stacks on top of each other. So all like every time is added together at the end of the day. So at the end of first heat, I was in third in class. But now I don't know what I'm at now. Other people are faster, other people are slower. We'll see, but car's real good. Just got to learn how to drive it. Trying to get the rear to come around and like the big hairpin sections, and then sneeze so I can get all the dirt out of my nose. Very old. Rock and roll. Ian Foster was 56.7. I missed Max Barron there with 55.5. I keep trying to dig up lap timing and whatnot. I'm just gonna figure it out. I mean, you all might be racing cars out there, but we got a singing baby in here. I defy you to. I mean, like you're having a good time, but we got literally a baby singing in here.
Last run of the day. What do you think?
It was was my best run of the day. It was a 53.0.
Heck yeah.
But, bro, Blake is so fast.
Yeah, he's quick. Cause what did he get?
He was at 51.9 or something.
Dang.
51.8 or 51.7.
Yeah, he's quick.
Yeah.
Heck yeah.
Pull up live timing and see how
Yeah.
he actually did. But
Yeah, she's a ripper.
yeah, good car.
It's a good car.
Good car.
But yeah, just get her up on the trailer. We'll get her loaded, and he's gonna work here in a little bit, and we're done.